I have been using Facebook Marketplace to buy and sell items for years now. And in this video, I'll show you how to use Messenger for Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. The first thing we need to make sure is that you can access Facebook Marketplace. When you open Facebook, you will see this Marketplace icon. In some smaller devices, the Marketplace is in your profile area. If you don't see the option in Messenger, you need to send a message to a seller. Let's go to Facebook Marketplace and see if anything's available. When you browse an item, you will have the option to send a message. This is my custom message. You will probably have the default message here. You can tap on it to edit it. I will tap this send button. Let's open one of the conversations. Once you have started the conversation, you will share all the information about the product here. We can ask for more details such as the features, problems, address and anything else that is related to the product. This see details will open up the listing page. We can see the listing details here. The other button shows a few options. We can view the seller or report them. Each seller has a marketplace profile where you can see their rating and past listings if any. However, some keep their profile rating private. After some messages, you will find a red option to rate the seller. Messenger treats marketplace conversations as groups. This conversation is like being in a group chat. We can tap here and see and add other members to this group. Changing the theme and notification sound is also possible. However, we can't call this person as this member is not our Facebook friend. Now when you use Messenger as a seller, you will see different options at the top. Tapping here will take you to the buyer's Facebook profile. You can see the ratings and reviews of that person as a buyer. The same button is on the top. Each marketplace user has a seller dashboard where others can see your seller rating when you sell something. Also, each user has a buyer profile where people can see your rating when you buy something. When a buyer sends you the first message, we get a few options to quickly reply. For example, if I tap this one, it will be sent. The group name for each conversation in Messenger is automatically set. Facebook Marketplace has a few labels for pending and sold items. For example, this item is already sold, so Facebook is displaying sold at the top. For the pending items, you will see a red colored pending label here. Messenger does not send the notification when a seller marks the item as pending or sold. However, you will be able to see those events in the conversation. We can still communicate with the buyer or seller from this conversation when the item is pending or sold. Even if they remove the item from Facebook Marketplace, we can come here and communicate with them. As a seller, when you mark an item as sold, Facebook will ask whether you want to archive the conversations. If you tap yes, you will find all the conversations about this item in the archive area. There's more to Messenger when it comes to Marketplace, and that will mostly come with the practice. Anyway, thanks for your time. Take care.